Anjuman Hami Muslimin, a century of educational legacy. In the year 1919, a vision was born, one that would transform a town and shape generations to come. Anjuman Hami Muslimin, AHM, was established in Bhatkal, a small town, by our ancestors who sought to illuminate the path of knowledge and education. It began as the first educational institute in our town, laying the foundation for a future where learning would flourish. The journey of AHM over the past century, Bhatkal has grown and developed alongside this venerable institution. From humble beginnings, AHM has evolved into a beacon of knowledge, creating not just an educational journey, but a destination for higher learning. The entire town of Bhatkal is indebted to the visionaries who built this institution. Anjuman Hami Muslimin is the first educational institution in Bhatkal, and it laid the groundwork for others that follow. What sets it apart is its commitment to both deen, religion, and dunya, worldly knowledge. It is a place where faith and education come together, providing students with a holistic foundation to develop both their religious values and academic skills. Through this unique integration, Anjuman offers a balanced and fulfilling education, nurturing well-rounded individuals grounded in both spiritual and worldly understanding. Anjuman Hami Muslimin is the heart of the Nawayat community, a place where our people unite, learn, and grow. The institution serves as a bridge between tradition and progress, fostering an enriching educational experience. From young minds in their first days of primary school to scholars in the halls of higher education, Anjuman offers a fulfilling and transformative journey. The institutions of AHM. Colleges. Anjuman Institute of Technology and Management, Anjuman Institute of Management and Computer Application, Anjuman College of Education, Anjuman Arts, Science, Commerce College and PG Center, Anjuman College for Women, Anjuman Pre-University College, Anjuman Pre-University College for Women. High Schools. Anjuman Boys High School, Anjuman Girls High School, Anjuman Girls English Medium High School, Islamia Anglo-Urdu High School. Primary Schools. Anjuman English Medium Higher Primary School, Anjuman Urdu Primary School, Anjuman Azad Primary School, Anjuman Noor Primary School, Anjuman Taqiya Primary School, Al-Fitrah Islamic Preschool. The present and the future. As we celebrate over 100 years of Anjuman's existence, it is important to reflect on its legacy and impact. AHM is not just a place of learning, it is the lifeblood of our community, shaping minds, careers, and futures. Yet, with every institution comes the responsibility to preserve and grow. High above Bhatkal lies a breathtaking hill station that offers a stunning morning view like no other. As the sun rises, the entire town below is bathed in soft golden light, while the snow-covered hills and misty air create a magical atmosphere. The serenity of the snowy landscape, combined with the panoramic views of Bhatkal, makes this hidden gem a peaceful escape and a reminder of nature's untouched beauty. At Anjuman Hami Muslimin, education goes beyond classrooms. The legacy of sports and physical excellence is equally remarkable, with countless achievements and thousands of athletes who have risen to national levels and beyond. The sportsmanship displayed by Anjuman's students is unmatched, with their dedication leading to an incredible collection of medals and accolades. From local victories to national honors, the athletes of Anjuman have made their mark, embodying discipline, perseverance, and the spirit of competition. Anjuman Hami Muslimin has always placed profound importance on the education of women, ensuring a balance between deen, religion, and dunya, worldly knowledge. Their commitment to uplifting women through education is unparalleled and deeply rooted in respect for both faith and intellectual growth. The sacrifices made by these women, often veiled yet unwavering in their pursuit of knowledge, are beyond measure. Anjuman stands as a beacon of hope for women's education, offering opportunities that no other institution provides, nurturing and empowering generations of educated women. Today, we stand at the crossroads of history. Our ancestors built Anjuman Hami Muslimin with a vision for a better tomorrow. With renewed enthusiasm and support, we can make Anjuman greater than ever, ensuring it continues to shine brightly for generations to come.